they're doing well over here. I'm surprised. And then here are the, yeah, these are collards. And then here are the cabbages. I got these starts from Home Depot, but then I also have some. So, you know, I think the rules were we could get us little young start. So these are youngins. So, but then I'm also tracking my the ones I started from seeds as well. So, all right, guys. So that's what's going on here in Posh Plants and Garden. Collards, my initial entry into the Collards and Cabbage 2025 I keep saying collaboration. It's a competition. Some people say it's collaboration. All right, so then I'm putting my